Hello and welcome to a Major Droid unboxing video. Today we're looking at another KKTick watch, but this time it's No.1 F18. It's a newer model, but yeah, I really don't understand their naming scheme. But yeah, it's a newer model, and let's see how does it look like on the inside. So, vacuum test. Fairly okay, even though the box isn't that heavy. But yeah, this is the watch, and I gotta say, wow, this is a pretty clear glass. You can really see how you can see the reflections and everything. Oh wow, this looks really nice. It almost looks like it's the glass from the lens of a camera. This plastic here, it really feels like rubber. And yeah, I like that it gives it this rugged feel, that it's probably gonna withstand a few more hits than the average watch, than the average smartwatch. But yeah, on the back here we got this, looks like some sort of stainless steel, and this thing here, it's the heart rate sensor. So yeah, this watch can measure heart rate, that's nice. The buttons have a fairly nice click. Just a wee bit gummy, but that's really nitpicking. They do have a bit of a wobble on them, which is not that great, but yeah, it's not really much of a problem. They still feel really nice. And yeah, this whole watch, this is also made of rubber, and yeah, it looks like this rugged military kind of watch, especially with the color. But yeah, let's check out what else is in the box below this huge foam. And below the foam we have this charging cable, and yeah, I was hoping maybe the newer model would have a charging dock like the Amazfit Stratos had from Xiaomi and Huami. But yeah, this is just a regular cable that you snap on here, like this, see? And the connection is also a bit wobbly. Just you can see that even though it's connected, it's still kind of wobbling on. And yeah, that's not really that great, since the contacts are pretty small. They're gonna be scrubbing around on the surface, and yeah. And let's see what else is in the box. It's only this manual. And what's here? GPS Sports Watch User's Manual. Yeah, it looks like actually pretty. Nah, this is a basic manual, but just on many languages, so yeah, it's more fun to figure it out on your own. But yeah, this is a pretty rudimentary packaging, not much extra goodies, you know. So yeah, this watch does feel pretty nice, and it looks interesting. I wonder, it's very important to see how the software will be, because that's the thing that can make or break this deal. So if it has a nice system with a lot of personalization and features, it could be a pretty nice watch. We'll check all of that out in the review.